Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation. Common and general words are used in this dictation. Start. The water shortage is faced by 40% of the world population, and that is why it was one of the 5 key issues earmarked by the UN Secretary General as center to the negotiations at the summit held in August 2002. Full stop. About 70% of the fresh water is used for agriculture and only 30% is available for all other purposes, including potable water for drinking, municipal uses and industries etc. Full stop. In Pakistan, about 95% of the available water is used for agriculture, and the domestic and industrial needs are met from the irrigation system. Full stop. Considering the increasing need of food production for the rapidly growing population, an ample supply of fresh water is essential, but it needs to be efficiently utilized for agricultural productivity. Full stop. Ironically, the greatest drain on the world fresh water supplies is the inefficient agricultural irrigation system adopted all over the world, due to which there is a loss of about 60% of the water that is diverted for the purpose. Full stop. Bearing a few countries, which are considered water rich, the rest of the world is either water deficient or is barely breaking even. Full stop. In total disregard of the position of availability, the water demand is increasing 3 times as fast as the rate of growth of population, and in the meanwhile, it is leaving behind about 1.2 billion people who have no access to safe drinking water, and they include at least 100 million people in Pakistan alone. Full stop.